Bricky. Generally speaking, it's quite easy to distinguish a building put up by professionals from any construction made by amateurs, especially when it comes to brick buildings. Bricky is a compact and lightweight device, which allows any beginner in the construction industry to become a pro. It is easy to use and allows you to create buildings that meet professional standards. Basically, Bricky is a mold in which the masonry mortar is poured. The manufacturer offers three sizes to build 102.5mm, 140mm, and 215mm thick walls. These parameters are standard and are widely used on construction sites around the world. Bricky allows the mortar to be placed in a uniform and tidy layer while saving material. If there is too much mortar, it is simply moved to the edges of the mold and used later. The manufacturer also offers a template for precise and fast filling of vertical joints. It's also available in various sizes to work with any bricks or blocks. The price is starting at $46. Corium brick. The material you see on the screen won't allow you to build a house or even a small building. That's because we're talking about facade bricks. However, it's a revolutionary material and is gaining popularity all over the world. Traditionally, these bricks adhere to the surface of the building's facade with a special solution. It is a long and messy process. The Corium brick cladding system makes the cladding process 3 times faster though. And the process itself is quite simple. First of all, special stainless steel profiles are fixed to the wall with self-tapping screws. Each brick on one side has slots that allow it to attach to the metal profiles. Then you just have to fill the joints with mortar, obtaining a smooth final coating without even using construction level or other flattening tools. Thanks to the metal construction, the rows of bricks are laid evenly with identical horizontal joints. However, the width of the vertical joints may vary to suit the design. Tile floor. The modern market offers a wide variety of flooring options, with different characteristics, appearance, and of course, cost. The flooring materials you see on the screen are economical, practical, and are very easy to install. First, we would like to draw your attention to the crumb rubber tiles. Only 2 tools are required for installation, a knife and a T-square. Each tile has grooves cut out at the edges. They interlock with each other, achieving a smooth coating. Another advantage of the material is its softness. When laying the tiles near the wall, all you have to do is cut off the part of the tile you don't need with a knife. This coating is equally suitable for indoor and outdoor use, for example for a playground or a whole room. Alternatively, several elements joined together can be used as a carpet. The second option is tiles made of impact-resistant polypropylene. The manufacturer recommends using them for garage flooring. The final result is aesthetically pleasing. The surface is resistant to oil, grease, antifreeze, and any other household chemicals. Each element has slots on the edges for quick and easy installation. However, to cut a piece of this tile, you'll have to use a tile cutter. Plaster leveling. If a builder needs to create a perfectly flat wall, he applies a layer of plaster. One of the last steps of the plastering procedure is to level the surface. 45 to 60 seconds after mixing the mortar, it starts to harden, which means the worker doesn't have much time left to remove the excess material and smooth the surface. Traditionally, hand tools such as a wide metal spatula or a leveling board are used to finish the plaster. However, if you want to speed up the process and make the final result perfect, you should use a tool like the one you see on the screen. This is a rotating disc that quickly and efficiently levels the surface, minimizing the builder's efforts. The tool is similar to a conventional wall grinder, but it's most suitable for final leveling. Manhole cover trigona. The design of manhole covers hasn't changed in many years. It seemed to be optimal for a long time, so there was no point in trying to improve anything. This video shows the installation of a modified manhole cover. The German company ACO Passivant Gas manufactures this kind of products. The rectangular design provides better access to the sewerage system and can accommodate several people at once. Pay attention to the lid itself too. It consists of 4 elements forming a rectangle. Built-in hinges allow the elements to be opened to a 100-degree angle. Pay special attention to the self-locking mechanism. Even if you accidentally touch the open part of the cover, it does not slam shut but locks in a new position. This increases the safety of sewerage work. Stone floor. Czech company Nature Stone sells material for the creation of a very unusual flooring. These are small stones that can have the most diverse structure and color. The manufacturer offers materials suitable for indoor and outdoor use. They can be used to finish sidewalks, entrances, terraces, outdoor stairs, gazebos, and pool areas. According to the manufacturer, this coating has much better performance characteristics than, for example, paving slabs. The stones don't let plants sprout, and there's no puddles on the surface as the water flows down to the ground. There's no need to renew the grouting either, as is the case with paving slabs. Making a floor out of this material is no more complicated than using any other. The material can be laid on almost any hard floor, even if it's old. In this case, the stone is laid on a concrete surface. Colorless epoxy resin, hardener, and some other substances are mixed in a bucket. The resulting solution is then thoroughly mixed with a decorative stone material. The mixture is then poured onto the surface and spread evenly with a spatula. The only thing left to do is spread acetone solution all over the layer and wait for it to dry. Timber beam slab formwork system. Monolithic low-rise constructions are becoming more and more popular all over the world, which means specialists face an important task of improving construction techniques. One of them is the slab formwork system you're seeing right now on the screen. Simply put, it's a mold to create the floor of the future building from concrete mixture. The installation system of the mold allows you to increase cost effectiveness. The workers cope with the task more quickly, so you can save money on labor costs. The main formwork beam has a huge load-bearing capacity, approximately 80% higher than standard formwork beams. The system is called Doka Flex 30 Tech and is produced by the Austrian company Doka.